Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's a classic, Tips Hustle. It is a two-wall dance. You're going to do it on the front and the back wall, and there's only two parts. You do each part twice, and it'll bring you to your new wall, and you start the dance over. No tags, no bridge. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions before I do. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, just watch till the end. And want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you to all those who supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. Thank you guys. We're going to have a blast. Are you ready? Let's get busy. So you're going to stand on this side of the room, facing in this direction, okay? So we got two parts. So the first part is going to be the verse. So whenever they're singing the verse, you're going to do this part. And you're going to do it twice. And when you finish up, you'll be at your second wall. But before you start the dance over, you do part two, which is the chorus. And you do it twice. When you finish up, you'll still be at your second wall, and then you start the dance over again. All right? So, stand in this, so this side, looking in this direction, okay? So it's going to start with your weight on the left, and you step up, heel, step, rock up, recover, swirl left, and rock back, recover. It's heel, step, rock up, recover, swirl that left, step, right, left. You're going to tap out. Tap right and in, tap left and in, tap right and in. That was 3 times. And that third time, you're going to make a half turn. Left, right, left. With your left shoulder coming forward. From here, you're going to go back to the tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So each time you turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, right 5, 6, that left come forward, half turn. 7 and 8. Last step is on your left. You tap out right again. 1, 2, left 3, 4, right 5, 6, left shoulder come forward, half turn. 7 and 8. So let's put that together. Heel step. 5, 6, 7, and it's heel. Step, rock up, recover, swirl left, step, rock back, recover. Tap out right, tap out left, tap out right, half turn, left, right, left, tap out right, tap out left, tap out right, half turn, left, right, left. From here, we get ready to rock back and come forward, doing a 3/4 turn. So we're going to go rock back, recover, triple step. And we're going to make a 3/4 turn with our right shoulder coming forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to go forward. 5, 6, coaster, 7, and 8. So we rock back, recover. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walk 5, 6, coaster, 7, and 8. All right. So let's put that together with the heel step. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's heel step on the right, rock up on the left, swirl left, step left, rock back, recover. Out right, out left, half turn, left, right, left, tap out right, tap out left, tap out right, half turn, left, right, rock back, recover, 3/4 turn, right, back, left, right, coaster step. So you walk back, left, right, coaster step. All right, so back, left, right, this wall. So let's take it at this wall. 5, 6, 7, right up. It's 1, 2, up, 3, 4, swirl, 5, step 6, back 7, 8, out, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, half, 7 and 8, tap right, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, half, 7 and 8, 1, 2, triple, 3 and 4, back 5, 6 with a coaster step. Okay, so when I made that 3/4 turn, I walk back, left, right with a coaster step. Left, right, left, right, left. So that left leg is in the front. All right, that brings you to this wall here. I said it was a 2-wall dance, but it's 2 parts. So we only did one, part 1. Let me show you part 2. So let's go back to part 1, doing it twice and coming back to this wall. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right leg, 1, 2, up, 3, 4, swirl, 5, step 6, back 7, 8, out, 1, 2, out, 3, 4, out, 5, 6, half, 7 and 8 is 1, 2, out, 3, 4, out, 5, 6, half, 7 and 8, rock back, 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7 and 8 is 1, 2, start it over, 3, 4, swirl, 5, 6, 7, 8, out 1, 2, out 3, 4, out 5, 6, half, 7 and 8, tap it again, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, half, 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3/4, 3 and 4, back 5, 6 with a coaster step. All right, did you get it? All right, part 2. Part 2 is real easy. We're going to do it twice and then start the dance over again. Okay, so we just did part 1 twice. Now we get ready. I'm getting ready to show you part 2, and you're going to do it twice. So the right come forward, you're going to do a push and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, right heel step, left heel step. So push and pull. Right, left, right, left. Right heel step, left heel step. Rock up, recover, triple step. So I'm doing a half turn back. So I rock up on the right, recover, turn back, triple, half turn, right, left, right. Okay? Again, push and pull, right, left, left. Heel step on the right, heel step on the left, rock up on the right, recover, half turn, right, left, right. When you make that half turn, it's going to be a triple step. Now I'm going to step pivot on the left, half turn, coming back to this wall. So I step forward on my left, and I pivot forward. Half turn with my left. Then I'm going to run it up 3 times. Left, right, left. That's part 2. Then we're going to do it again. So let's put it together. Right, left, left. So that's the push and pull. Last step is on the left. I do a heel step on the right, come forward and do a heel step on the left. I rock up on the right, and I recover. I turn back, half turn, right, left, right. When you do that half turn, do a triple step. Right, left, right. That's my last step. Step forward on the left, pivot half. My left heel is up. I run it up 3 times. Left, right, left. Do that push and pull again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel 5, step 6, heel 7, step 8. Rock 1, 2, half, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I just did it twice. Now it's time to start the dance over. Okay? At this wall here, you start the dance over with a heel, step, rock up, recover, and swirl. All right? So let's go back to this wall. I gave you all parts. Part 1, you do it twice. Part 2, you do it twice. Let's do it. And you're going to do it just like that throughout the entire song. Tips, hustle. All right? So here we go. 5, 6, with the heel. 1, 2, up 3, 4, swirl 5, 6, back 7, 8, tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half 7 and 8, tap 1, 2, tap 3, 4, tap 5, 6, half 7 and 8, back 1, 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7 and 8, heel 1, 2, up 3, 4, swirl 5, step 6, back 7, 8, tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, back 1, 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, close to 7 and 8, push 1, 2, 3, 4, heel 5, 6, heel 7, 8, up 1, 2, 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6 and 7 and 8, push 1, 2, 3, 4, heel 5, 6, 7, 8, up 1, 2, turn 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, up 7 and 8, and heel, step, starting to dance over. All right, that's tips, hustle, a 2-wall dance, 2 parts. Let me know how you think, how you did, okay? Did I teach too fast? Let me know, guys. I love y'all to hear y'all comments. That is tips, hustle. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.